pages 22 and 23. Challenge TOEFL iBT.
Listen to a lecture in a health science class.
For our nutrition topic today, we'll be talking about fat. Fat is an important substance of what we eat. Our bodies need fat to develop properly and to survive. Fat supplies calories and serves as the stored substance for the body's extra calories. It helps our bodies absorb vitamins and minerals. It also assists in building hormones and preserving the nervous system in our bodies. But we have to be careful of what type of fat we eat, as some kinds of fats are not good for your health. There are basically three types of fat: unsaturated fat, which is from olive oils, canola oils, and tuna or salmon; saturated fat, from most meats as well as dairy products such as butter and cheese; and trans fat, which is found in junk food. The best type of fat for your body is unsaturated fat. This is because it can lower your cholesterol level, which is bad for the heart. So you should try to eat plenty of that. Generally speaking, the worst type of fat is trans fat. That's because it is artificial or man-made. Trans fat is hardly digested in your body, and this can lead to health problems. Usually, manufacturers use trans fat to help preserve the shelf life of a product. When you look at a food label and see the words hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oil, that means the product contains trans fat. Saturated fat isn't as bad as trans fat because at least this type of fat is natural and your body knows how to digest it. But still, you should be careful not to eat too much of this because it can cause heart disease. Then, how can you tell the difference between saturated and unsaturated fat? Well, the answer is simple. If you look in a frying pan after cooking up some bacon, you'll notice there's lots of oil in there. Wait long enough for the oil to cool, and then you'll find that the oil will harden. It'll become solid. That's because bacon grease is an example of saturated fat. The same thing wouldn't happen to olive oil or canola oil. At room temperature, unsaturated fat remains in its liquid form, unlike saturated fat.
Now get ready to answer the questions. You may use your notes to help you answer. 1. What is the main topic of the lecture? 2. According to the lecture, which of the following is not a function of fat? 3. Indicate whether each of the following describes saturated fat, unsaturated fat, or trans fat. Tick in the correct box. 4. According to the lecture, which of the following is not true? 5. Why does the teacher mention bacon grease?